Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off the dark mode on the Wise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device. And if you haven't logged in to your account already, use your credentials or your biometrics. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage from which you can directly start sending money. Now, if you wish to enable or disable dark mode, then tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Within the Settings page, go ahead and tap on Appearance and you will see the light as well as dark mode option. You will also see the same as device option, which means the application will use light or dark mode depending on what settings your device is using. You can manually choose from dark or light mode by tapping on your preferred option. As soon as you tap on your preferred option, the interface will be changed to dark or light mode, whichever you choose. And there you have it. That is how you can enable or disable dark mode on the Wise app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.